Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video, this is part 1 of making an advanced maze in Scratch. Let's get started. I share the starter project in the description so you can see it. And now, are you in the project? Okay, now click in Remix. Let's wait a bit. And now it's remixed. We have the thumbnail spread, the key, the walls, the health bar, the player, and the backdrops. That's for the first starter project. Then in part 3 or part 4, I'm going to make the second starter project. First, start with the thumbnail. When green flag clicked, wait 0.1 second. Forever, go to front layer and set ghost effect to 100. So we click the green effect. We haven't the thumbnail, and now we have it. Save the project. And now go to the key sprite. When green flag clicked, show forever, switch costume to a new variable called as scene for all sprites. When I receive next level show. Okay. And when I receive got key hide and make a new list called inventory for all sprites and add key to inventory. Make sure you have 10 blocks. Now go to the walls sprite. When green flag clicked, forever, go to X and Y, 0, 0, set rotation style to don't rotate, pointing direction 90, and switch costume to scene. Okay. And now go to the health bar sprite. When I receive damage, okay, Make a new variable called HP for all spreads and change AP by -1. When I start as a colon, show. When I start as a colon, show and no, show not. Now make a new variable called ID for this spread only. If wait here if ID is equal to 2, okay, go to front layer, forever, make a new custom block called position bar. Run without screen refresh. Forever, position bar, equals put a greater than, in the right side put a divide, and if HP is greater than make a new variable called max HP for all spreads, then max HP divided by 2. Save the project. Switch costume to icon. And in the else put an if else. If put a greater than, if HP is greater than 0.9, switch costume to icon 2, and in the else switch costume to icon 3. Save the project again. And now make a new variable called percent for this spread only. In the define position bar put set percent to put a divide and HP divided by max HP. Go to X and Y, go to sensing and put the backdrop of stage and go to player and put X position of player in the X and Y position of player in the Y. Change y by 30. And change x by 5. Say the project. When I start as a clone, if id is equal to 3, forever, switch custom to full. Okay. Position bar. Make a new variable called width for this spread only. Wait, where is it? Width. What happened, guys? Width? Well, that's a bug of Scratch. We don't see the variable. Change x by plus, and in the left side the times. With, wait, we haven't the variable. Okay, let's recharge the base, see if something happens. Yes. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. Okay. Now go into the health bar. And we haven't the width variable. And here we have, okay, let's make it again. Width. Now we have it. What happened, Scratch? Wait, no, we haven't the box. Bruh, what happened? Well, if id is equal to 3, I don't know if you had that bug. Comment down below. Okay, and now just put the change checks and the plus and the times here, and put in the times in the left side with multiplied by percent plus with divided by -2. Say the product equals to a lesser than if percent is lesser than 0.5, pointing direction -90. Set brightness effect to -100. Okay. And in the else, pointing direction 90. And Set brightness effect to 0 and set width to times, and in the right side I divide 46 times size divided by 100. Okay, set a project. We have 57 blocks in this sprite. One green flag clicked, hide, and a new block called setup. And don't take the ground without spin refresh option. Hide and setup. When I start as a clone, if ID is equal to 1, forever position bar. Now let's go the setup block. Set HP to 10. Set max HP to HP. Set rotation style to left right. Pointing direction 90. Switch costume to base. Set size to 100. Go to front layer. Set ID to 0. Repeat 3 times. Change ID by 1. Create all myself. And here put a switch costume to full. Make sure to have 80 blocks and save the project. Now here we got the health bar next to the player. Now the mode bar I have here we got the key. But okay. So in next video we will call the player sprite, and with that sprite we can have most of the game. This gamer is going to be less than 1,000 bucks, maybe 800. Not so much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.